Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a sheet and share with other people and the other people can edit the sheet. Let's get started by go to the Google's start page and try to search the Google Sheets. This one, you can tap it or you can click this Google Sheets and try to click blank spreadsheet. This is a new project. So this is the untitled spreadsheet. You can, this is for example, you can uh, type anything here. So after that, you can share with other people and make your friend or your colleague edit this document by tap the share button. I mean, click the share button, name it. This is example editable, save. And you can add people here or groups. For example, I want to add one people. This is my friend, and you can leave a message here. Please edit and make sure the editor is checked, not the viewer, not the commenter, but the editor one. After that, you can send to your friend, or you can copy this link and send to your friend via a WhatsApp or email. Anything you can do. Just copy the link or you can click the send button. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click next button below.